So I hope you had a nice lunch and you are enjoying the nice breeze of Bangalore as well as your hometown. Few students are in some countries and few students are in different states. Okay, nice to see you, everybody in online. I hope all are safe. That is very important thing. Take care of your health. That is very important thing. Okay, today's topic, as you are seeing in this chart, we are going to discuss the what are the main value created or values created by the international marketing research. You already studied the marketing research. You already studied about the marketing information system in marketing paper as well as in AMR paper. So this is not a new thing. So our discussion today is running around the output of this type of international marketing research. Okay. So may in this first hour we will take some discussions which are purely based upon the fabric manufacturer, that is Peter England brand. Next hour, it is your hour. You have to prepare the case study of PNG Tide, the brand Tide. Already some of the students given a nice reply that we'll see during the next hour. So next hour, be prepared. You can open the Word file. You have to answer and post it. So be ready for that one. This hour, we will discuss the concept. Of course, it is some technical concept. We'll discuss with the help of the news, what I shared in last week, plus the Peter England brand, how far they have done a research, what are all things they made it as successful, and these things we are going to discuss in the first hour. Okay, let us move on to the news what I shared in the previous week. You have given a nice input also, some of the students. And the Tesla Chinese rival Zhangping ups the self-driving game. You can see with the world's first mass technology leader in P5 sedan. That means the entire world is moving towards a new direction. They are aiming for a driverless car and they are mentioning now as the autonomous driving segment. And for these autonomous driving cars, the first emerging technology came from Asia. Of course, it is purely based upon the technology driven from Germany, but software driven from Singapore, basically Indians. And this technology is called as LIDAR, L small I D A R. And they are going to introduce in any car. Here they are given the example of P5 sedan. Why this news is important? Because they introduced the driverless car in Singapore 2 years back. If you want to travel from Suntec City in Singapore, you can use the driverless car. It's a very nice one. They tested, it was also successful. They have not identified any flaw, but we can't use that car in other countries. Hong Kong, it is made possible in few places. Even in Singapore, it is available if there's a good GPS system. Entire Singapore city, it is covered, but outskirts of the Singapore, they find it difficult. But inner road and within the city, main city, connecting the science city of Singapore, all these places, it worked well. Even in Hong Kong, it worked well 50%. But in some places, this driverless car is not working. So they started a nice research. What are all the problems? What are all the uniqueness available in different countries, especially the technology? Of course, in India, still we are not moving towards the 5G so far. We are having only 4G. We are waiting for 5G. But if the 5G is there, it works well, and provided if the global positioning system is connected. So that is the thing. So they done a nice research. And now they changed as an autonomous driving cars. See that one, which they are using the slider, and the autonomous means it is a partially driven by driver, and decision will be taken by the system when you are driving itself. Such thing they created. Okay, that is the LiDAR system. They done a very big survey in case of Hong Kong. Then they did it even in London. London streets are different nature, very old city. Then in Toronto, even in case of Chicago, they tried, and few other places they tried the segment and they made it successful. And the first driverless car, in our view, now it is autonomous car, started from Shanghai in China. And that is the output of the major research segment. That is why I shared that news. International research is very essential. That is in R&D, research and development. Also, they think about the people, about the other countries. Social economic research is also essential. In case of Singapore, anybody can use the driverless car from Suntec City. But in case of Bangalore roads, are you able to use? You will find very difficult, especially in our college area, even our Sashi area, Kamanagalli, it is very tough. Because here only 81% will follow the rules minus segment, and the roads are not fully connected with GPS segments, and the other vehicle should also be connected with GPS vehicle. It is very tough. So they made a survey how it is possible. And with the help of signaling system, they introduced that later. So they worked well, they studied the customer. In Singapore, customers are ready to take risk and travel by the driverless car. But whether they will take risk here, if India is in Singapore, what India will do? Simply India will use his mobile and call the driverless car from Suntec City, and she will go to his house in Clement in Singapore nicely. No worry. Same time, whether India will do same thing in Bangalore, she won't do because she is having the fear of doing in Bangalore. That is the thing. So that is the research work they did. Why people are not following that one? That is why they, from the output of the R&D, they changed as an autonomous car instead of driverless car. They mention as the autonomous car. It will give the signals, and with the help of different laser networks and sensoring, it will give the input. Based upon that, you can take the decision. That is the autonomous car. Likewise, in another marketing, you can see I have shared the example of Santur, a nice brand. You can see the vice president of marketing of Wipro Consumer Care, because the Santur is from Wipro Consumer Care, and they are also mentioning that they are changing the product frequently, the color design. They used to have a realigning the marketing strategy for each and every brand based upon casual research. What is the present trend? Based upon this, they are changing. I think some of the B class and C class students may remember. I have shown the Santur very old ad inside the class once upon a time. That is in last year. The Santur ad was very old. Your moms, your grandmoms like that one. They targeted the girl, ladies in the houses nicely. But now you can see the Suntour. It is in a different stage. Most of you are not preferring the Suntour, but that is why they change the design. How they are changing the design? Based upon the color preference and the preference given by the other. Jonah will go for a different Suntour. She may not prefer Suntour. Sometimes if Jonah may enter into the mall and if she finds the Wipro Care products, Santoor based upon the design as well as the outer way, Jonah may prefer. Once upon a time, it is targeted to old ladies, moms, grandmoms only. Now it is not like that. They change the strategy. What these people are saying that service with a smile. See that one, the image. In case of Santur, they realigned the marketing strategy with the concept called service with a smile. That is how they designed. Have a smile and you are able to attract. That is the concept of Santur. You can see in the recent Santur ad, everybody will smile. The contest has been created in such a manner that all are coming with the nicely smiling face. It is the output of the research, casual research, because they are seeing the trend. Wipro customer care is having a separate marketing research division. You can see the smile with care in one country, smile with service with smile in India. Each and every country, they created a nice thing. That is the casual research. Mostly in international markets, they are having the casual research conducted within a month time and they will get the output and do it immediately. You can see that is the example of Santur in case of India when it moves on to other country. Service with a smile. I think you might have seen our Jade. Whether Jade is here or not, I don't know. She used to wear a mask. And but in her mask, it is entirely different. It is not a service with
Sir,
smile.
I'm here, yes, sir.
Oh, good. Jade is here. Whether you are wearing your traditional mask?
Not now, sir, but I wear it when I go out.
Okay, good. See that one. That is the Jade's designing. I don't know whether Jade purchased from somewhere else or she designed. But you can see that is a nice marketing strategy. How the mask has been designed. Today, in case of Peter England, also we are going to discuss same thing. These are all the casual researchers. Jade suddenly identified something. She did a nice study in her mind how we can wear this mask. You can see the teeth, everything in a different style. So how you can identify that one? For Jade, it is considered as the service with a smile. So it is a casual research output of Jade. Same thing when we went to last year, I think I told the story in your classes. In Russia, especially in Moscow and St. Petersburg, we have seen the changes. One group of persons are wearing one type of mask and they are showing the solidarity in a different manner. Another group, immediately by seeing them, they are changing. Within one day, we can see the changes based upon the current trend. That is very important in case of global research. We can't say that this product will work out in US, this product will work out in Singapore. We have to change. Change is the only constant in marketing research. That's what, if you visit the Suntec in city in Singapore, I visited around 6 years continuously. Every year it is changing. I used to think how these people are changing everything. There's a very big ad in the mall of the Suntec City, the biggest mall in Asia. You can see every year there are a number of changes are coming. How? That is the output of the research. So what the actual meaning of this international marketing research? I told different examples. One is the driverless car or autonomous car. It is a very big research. They conducted 2 years, and when they decided to introduce this driverless car, they they have done a research for 6 years. Then only they introduced. Then for the another type of customer care product from Wipro, they need a casual research. Within 2 weeks, they have to complete the research and they have to change the design and they have to give to the customers. How quickly they are changing. These are all the very interesting stories. First one is 2 years research. Say next one is just 1 month or 2 weeks research. That is called casual researches. These type of researchers are now available, and something you might have seen the monkey survey. There is a separate website for that one to study the behavioral part. You can use that one. So based upon that, how we are designing and defining the international marketing research, this is the concept. As per this thing, the definition is same like the traditional research. That is designing, collecting, recording, analyzing, interpreting, finally reporting. Simple thing. These are all the simple stages of any research. We need a good design of information system. We need a good information system. Every day we have to gather something that is needed. That is the systematic one. Marketers are doing that one. So if Mark is traveling from Bangalore to Chennai, somebody X will find out what is the behavior pattern of our Mark. If he is traveling by bus, they will study behavior of the Mark when he is traveling the bus, how far they can satisfy. If he is traveling by train, another team will study. It is a recurring one. They are all studying clearly the passengers traveling in different networking system. It is a continuous process now. 2 years back, when Mark used to travel from Bangalore to Coimbatore, he might have enjoyed lot. In even if he is traveling, he was traveling in bus, they might have given some snacks, everything, and in AC bus they are giving blanket, water bottle, everything. But now same Mark is traveling in same bus from Bangalore to Coimbatore, they won't provide anything because as per the casual research output, this was the COVID period, abnormal period. So Mark won't get anything. This is all the output of the casual research. There is need for something, but there's a good definite path. Every week, what are all the changes we have to give? Reliance Trend is a very good example for that one. Continuous research. Here you can see in global research, first research is useful in case of identifying the market entry strategy. How you can enter into a country, you have to do a nice research. We have discussed different market entry strategy. These are all the output of the research conducted previously. Even if you decided, I think somebody's India is now in Cambodia. Cambodia, it is very famous for classical divine heritage, Cambodia. So our India decided to enter into the market in Cambodia. What are the products India can sell there? Yes, do a research. The research should be based on Cambodia, not based on India. First thing. He has to find out the country identification. That is the first thing. She might have identified the Cambodia. So that is the country identification. Then preliminary screening. She will screen what are all the products which is not available in Cambodia frequently, but Cambodian people like that one. Simple thing. So Scindia has to do a research in that area. Second stage, preliminary screening. What type of people are there? What they need actually, especially from India. So Scindia will do the history survey, geographical survey, political survey. She will ask somebody in Cambodia, I am in Bangalore, within 1 month I will be in Cambodia. What you want there? So she used to conduct a small survey. That is called preliminary screening. The output may come. The Cambodian peoples are depending upon the classical and heritage products from India. So what our India will decide, okay, we can sell, we can manufacture some of the heritage products which is available in India that we can market to Cambodia. Traditional copper bottles, copper designs, such type of things, even copper tumblers that is not available in Cambodia, but Cambodian people likes that one. So let us assume the output of the Scindia's research after the preliminary screening says that Cambodians like copper products, not gold, because it is available nearby Thailand. So then she used to go for in-depth screening. Now Scindia identified that copper vessels are common. They are expecting from India. So wow, type of copper. What type of product from copper they are expecting? Whether they are expecting some idols, some toys, or some artifacts, whatever it may be. Our India is doing a depth screening. And the result shows that we have to do nice copper idols of the goddesses in Cambodia because Cambodians prefer their goddess as well rather than the male god. Okay, so what India will do after the in-depth screening, she will prepare a nice ideals, nice dolls, which is replica of Cambodian goddesses. Be clear, the copper is from India, but goddesses designs are from Cambodia because India decided to enter into Cambodia. So the in-depth screening, she used to screen, she used to manufacture, then the final selection. Final selection means she will change according to the some of the culture and traditions of Cambodia. They won't prefer the water particles. Their face design will be different, which is a combination of Asian and Japanese style. That is Chinese and Japanese style. That is the final selection. Then the direct experience. Then she used to send the product there. That is the entry strategies research. So you can see how many research India is doing to sell copper dolls, copper artificals to Cambodia. She is doing all this research. First research only takes more time. That is country identification. Why is India selected Cambodia? That is important thing. Because they need of different type of products from India. Some products are not available in Cambodia, but they are preferring that one. The raw material is from India. Only for that, she will take more time to find out. Okay, this is a simple example of how the researches are done in global level. You can see in this chart what are all the different stages used in marketing research, that is global marketing research. See that one input, you have to study the demographic profile. Last year when we visited the Russia, and two of them asked to one of our faculty, are you got married? He laughed and I told, they are all married. What is your age? We got married by around 28, 30. Why too early you are getting married? See that one Russians are asking us. And the guide asked me that under by which age you got married. I told by the age of 29. By the age of 29 you got married. Why too early? Russians marriage will happen only by the age of 42 to 45. And their life expired. Then I asked, what is your retirement age in Russia? They told it is 74, but in India it is still 58. You can see the demographic change. Their retirement age is 74 there. Whereas in India, now only in some of the states they made to 60, and even in Kerala still now it is 56. See that one. They used to get married only by 42 years. But Indians used to get married within 25, especially girls. India marriage will happen within the 25 years old. See that one, how it is happening. That is the demographic change. Same problem faced by McD in St. Petersburg in Russia when they are targeting. Then the economic profile, rich country, poor country. If you buy the McD burger in India, how much you are paying? Anyone? What is the, let us go for even the traditional burger, veggie burger in McD. What is its cost in Bangalore? Yes, tell me. Nobody is answering. Others? Others will tell. Okay, Mark is ready to tell. Mark, what is the price of a McD burger? No answer. Others? Why you are not visiting McD? Then finally we have to ask only or Joshua. Joshua,
Yes, sir.
what is the price of McD burger?
It starts from about. So, which burger you want?
Anything, minimum. Veggie burger.
Veg burger you will get in 120.
120 rupees. Okay, good. Hmm. So have you purchased same burger in Dubai? Joshua? In-
Yes,
Have you,
sir.
what is its cost there
Where, sir?
in Dubai?
In Dubai, it's almost 10 dirhams.
10 dirhams. See that one. Why it is very costly in Dubai compared to India? See, yes, Joshua, you are having answer.
No, sir.
Oh, you should not say no, pa. You see, that is the economic profile. I had the McD burger in Bangalore, in Dubai, even in that St. Petersburg, Istanbul, Singapore, and all the 18 countries I have visited so far, other than the small countries, Sri Lanka. 18 countries, Because whenever I go, I will have a taste of this McD burger in almost all the countries. But you can see India is very cheaper because out of 18 countries, the India is the cheapest country, maybe the 19th country. Because in case of India, the value, nobody will pay for 600 rupees per burger in India. They are not ready to pay. That is the economic condition. Same thing in case of Singapore, if you convert to Indian currency in dollars, comes minimum 600 rupees. But in Singapore, we are ready to buy burger for 600 rupees. I'm telling in Indian currency, equivalent to the Singapore currency. There we are ready to buy. See that one. That is the economic condition. Every country is having its own economic profile. In China, it is very cheap, but I didn't get that one. If we can ask Nelson sir also. Nelson sir purchased that one. But I asked that person is ready to give a nice burger. I can't smell it. It is made up of one small type of snake. They rotated that one and they gave me. I can't eat. See that one. After that, I didn't ask any burger in Shanghai. Nelson sir had a nice burger there. I forget about the burger for next 6 months after seeing the burgers in Shanghai in China. But the economic condition in China is different and everywhere you can see. In when we visited the Turkey, we can see small type of burgers. They used to have that one equivalent to a bread. But in Kazakhstan, it is entirely different. See that one, it depends upon the economic nature, even technical, political, and cultural one. Culture is very, very important thing. In case of in Petersburg, they used to sell the apples in a car. You need not do anything. You can pick up an apple and drop the rubles there and go. That's all. No salesperson, nothing. It is very cheap. And that country, like our cigarette smoking or chocolate eating, these people are inserting some coins and eating apples there. But in India, we can't do that one. Our culture is different. See that one, likewise, in case of one country where we visited in South American country, Argentina, the culture is different thing. They used to bring the fish not in a small plate, and they used to a pearl like they are keeping the fish and taking to us, and this is the seafood you prefer. They are giving to me. But I am surprised. At least you can keep it in a dish, then only we will cut and eat. And they are laughing at me. Oh, you are all Indians. Why can't you can eat with this thing? This is a shell. This is usually here in Argentina, we will have a shell. The fish, we will keep it in the shell, and if we eat through the shell, then only it will be tasty. We were surprised because I don't know how to eat the fish, keeping that fish in the shell. Maybe you know. Yes, Joshua, you know? Have you had this thing, taken the fish curry in a shell? Joshua? Because you like different type of fish. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Right. Here you are eating the fish only in a dish or in plate. Hmm? Have you taken the fish curry in a shell?
I have eaten crab, sir.
Crabs, oh, nice. But if you are taking crabs, your mouth will be in a different position. Huh?
No,
Good.
like that, sir. There is a
Ah.
technique.
There are more techniques you have to follow when you are eating the crab. Good. So the cultural change you can see. One country they are saying one news, another country they are saying in a different manner. In Australian culture, it is entirely different. In if you want go to US, the macro environment research is entirely different. And one of my cousin and me in Atlanta went to one small Indian hotel there in Atlanta in US. We had a nice um, dinner which is based upon semi-Asian and semi-US. They bring something like a different fish and they bring some rice bowl and I ordered only just one rice bowl and another one we ordered one curry. Then I thought that since I ordered, I will get the receipt for me. So we had a nice dinner for around for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, the waiter is coming with the bill and he is giving for me separately and for my cousin separately. I thought, why you are giving two bills? I asked suddenly. Give one bill, hey, me or my cousin will pay. He is laughing. That means, this guy doesn't know the culture of US. Wherever you can, US you can go, they are clearly watching what are the food stuff you are taking, your neighbor is taking. And the bill they are clearly dividing and give two bills. For your cousin, they are giving one bill, whatever he has taken as the food. For you, you will get a bill for what is the food you have taken. See that one, that is the US culture. Especially you can see in even Chicago, Atlanta, even in case of New Jersey, you can see that style. Only Pepsi, Coke, you can drink more. Because that cultural difference, that is the so in such a place, if you appoint our persons there, it is very difficult. Because if you are in Atlanta in the same hotel, they may find very difficult to bill you. Because let us assume our Samuel and Vinay both are going for a hotel in Atlanta. You can see how far the bill they will charge. Vinay is very lean, Samuel is very big. See the cultural difference. But it will work out in Bangalore nice. It won't work out in Atlanta. So that is the thing. You must know the cultural things. Research is very needed in such a places. Coke head office located in Atlanta. There you can see every day they will change the outer rings. Today, if you go to the Coke head office, you will get a Coke in a different dish. That is the bowl is different color. Next day, if you are going, the bowl will be in a different color. I asked why these people are changing frequently. Because they wish to make everything as a change. According to the present behavior, they are changing. But here we are not seeing the Coke in different containers. So in global research, you can see stage one is the locating the information. Where this information you will get. In my view, you have to visit the country and then only you can get. But there are some marketing intelligence team is there. The geography of different countries, culture of different countries, you can read and find out. But when you see into that place, it will be different. Gathering information system, we need a good source of thing. Usual commercial geography is there. Processing information, it is entirely different. In case of India, based upon the input only we will get what will be the output. But in some countries, it is not like that. First, they will identify the output. For that, they will give the input. Simple thing. If Jonah and Cynthia will decided to go to a particular film, What Jonah and Cynthia will fight, both of them will fight. Jonah will say, I need Amitabh Bachchan film. Cynthia will say, I need Abhishek Bachchan film. They will get the input first. Okay, today there's a film released, and whether we can go and see this film, they will analyze. Then only they will take the decision. Cynthia will take, Jonah, I decided to go this film, whether you are coming or not. She will change her face red towards Jonah. Then Jonah will accept. That is the stage in case of India. In for the input, once you get, you will get the output. But in some countries, it is not like that. First, they will ask, what is the output you prefer? I visited once in Egypt. And immediately after in the Egypt, all the Indians are going to a one small place. That is one small shop. It is a nice shop with cut flowers. The guide taken all of us to that place. This is an Indian shop run by a Sikh, and you can get different Egyptian artifice there. I asked, this shop is run by one Sikh, but you will get a nice Egyptian arts there. How it is possible? Then I asked the question. That there was a lady, she asked, she laughed. Oh, you are an Indian, welcome, welcome, welcome. You are from my own country. When she was telling that one, a small sound is coming. A nice song. I hope you might have the one nice song, The Sing is King. Anybody knows the Sing is King? Have you seen the film Sing is King? Very old movie. Yes, Alison might have seen. Alison, have you seen the Sing is King film? What, Alison?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah, what is the unique feature with Egypt in that movie? Sing is King.
Uh, Singis King movie.
Ah.
What, sir? What was the question?
Have you seen that film Sing is King?
Yes,
Who is
sir.
the
Akshay
hero?
Kumar.
Ah,
Akshay
yes.
Kumar.
When he enters into Egypt,
Yes, sir.
why, how he entered into Egypt, which country he decided to go?
Egypt.
No, first he decided to go to Australia, but unfortunately, his passport, everything will change. Hmm? That is why he entered into Egypt. Okay, anyhow, you can see that is a very nice movie, interesting movie. Even I have seen nicely that Sing is King, and the dance of Sing is King is very nice. And what's India? Have you seen that Sing is King?
Yes, sir.
Good. So when we were in Egypt, in that small shop, the sound is coming nicely, Sing is King, that song. I wondered why this lady is using that one. Then our faculty nearby me, Baba said, do you know, have you seen? Same shop you can see in the movie Sing is King. Akshay Kumar comes to this place and used to purchase the cut flowers in this place only. Oh, yes, yes. Then I somewhat think and recalled. Same lady was still there. See that one. How they create a nice culture of Indians in that place. A movie has been made from that place, and it was very popular in those time in India. The Sing is King movie. When you visit that place in Egypt, and all the Indians are going there, and the guide is also saying that you have to remember this place and this area. This where Sing is King movie has been taken. And that lady immediately smiled, and you can see the Sing is King poster still there. How she used to process the information? She is asking what type of thing you will expect. When you are now only you entered into Egypt. When you are going back, I will make it ready, and you can pay the amount only when you are coming back to this place, because you have to move out of this place in Cairo, that airport. So now only you entered into Egypt, you can place the order. When you are moving out of Egypt, your orders will be ready and you can pay by that time only. And she is also telling, don't worry, you can pay in Indian credit cards. See that one, how she used to process that one, the processing thing. Output, she asked, what you want to buy in Egypt? Tell me, I will make and I will purchase for you. Keep it with us. She never worried about the input. See that one, and she shows some of the artifacts and some of the images, the queen and these, even the Egyptian pyramids, small miniatures. Of course, we decided to buy some few. But why I'm telling, the processing of information in such countries are different. Even though it is processed by an Indian lady, there the output is important, not the input. She is asking output first, then only input. But in India, input is first. Based upon that, we will get the output. See, there's a cultural change in the processing of information. Then the presenting and using the information. How you can use the information. Whom you will give the information. That is very important thing. We have discussed the example of this Coke. Coke, they are giving the information only to the retailers. They won't give any information to the customers. Even in case of restaurants, it is entirely different. The information will go directly to the customers. See that one. The information is wealth. Same example, when we visited the Istanbul and Turkey, me, baby sir, and our dean sir, we three were walking in Istanbul, and we decided to enter into the one small mall. It is not a mall, it is a shopping center there in Istanbul in Turkey. And I asked, I need some tie, because our Stephen sir is fond of different nice ties. So we decided to buy tie for our Stephen sir, Bala sir, and the Bala sir also. Hmm? So we asked to one person. We don't know who is that person, because he is coming in nicely and he is very much interested. When we asked, is there any tie shop there here? He laughed, don't worry, you are on my neighbors. Why this fellow is saying as neighbors? And he taken to us a small shop. They bring a nice different colors of tie and different designs, and he shows nicely. You can see how the information is getting. We asked, where is the tie shop? But his answer is, welcome, you are my neighbors. I can't understand why this fellow is saying like that. Then, once we purchase some tie, I think our Jonah knows what I selected. Hmm? Well, then I asked, who are you? You are telling us you are our neighbors. I am Pakistani. You are Indians. We are all friends. We are all neighbors. See that one. He processed and how he presented the information. He never tell first as a Pakistani. If he tells first, I am a Pakistani, means definitely as an Indians, we may have something over him. Oh, no, we should not follow the Pakistani. But how he presented the information, see that one. That is the method of presenting the information. He knows. If he might have told, I am a Pakistani, we will be scared about him. We won't go behind him. But he told, I am your neighbor. See that one, how the information presentation, that is the marketing, dear students. He told, we go along with him, we purchase ties. After that, after making payment, when you are returning, bye bye, you are my neighbors. Then only we asked, you are saying that you are my neighbors. Whether you are saying staying next to our room in Istanbul, he laughed and so, no, 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 I am a Pakistani. So, whatever may be the research, the method of presenting is very important thing. You have to hide something in the beginning. You should not hide the fact. You have to reveal, but the method, what you want to present, is very, very important thing. It depends upon the circumstances. Same thing, wherever you countries you are visiting, the country may be an enemy country or close country or neighboring country, but you should not show any enemism or competition. That is important thing. The method of presenting the research output should be entirely different. That is important thing. That we'll see in the Peter England story also. How the Peter England created a nice dashboard for Indians. Okay. So based upon this concept, the international marketing research is having its own scope. We have discussed the type of information already. Another example, Simons, how they are using the Google for getting the information. Then the research process, we already discussed previously, different stages, gathering information, processing the information, and presenting. Okay, let us see some of the examples of research. First type of research, we use it called as exploratory research. I hope you know. Very good example is how the smartphones manufacturers are doing. They are engaging in the exploratory research. They will find what will be the preference of the customer, how it can change based upon that they will use. Next is descriptive type of research, what Peter England is using. You can see the Peter England, the different designs I have shown here. And this is the output of the descriptive research. Different checked color, shepherd check, houndstooth check, glen check, buffalo check. See that one, how they created a checked shirt. Each and every person is having their own thing. For this, they conducted a nice descriptive research. Another research is casual. I have given a number of examples for casual research. In case of Peter England, you can see shats and moths that fight virus. How suddenly you can see this ad. I'm suddenly used to see that one. I think Vijay Krishna is very much fond of this type of ads. Whether Vijay is there, Vijay Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you are there. Have you purchased this Peter England product that fight viruses?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. And see that one. This is output of the casual research. Since during this COVID pandemic, they created a nice thing. See, these are all the output of the casual research. We need some shirts and dresses which will fight the virus. Where we will get the information? As usual, now the Google only. Okay. This thing we already discussed. Okay. Let us coming to the Peter England example. How they done a research. You might have seen the Peter England. Actually, this Peter England is from the London. It was started in 1899. In Ireland, it enters into India with the famous Indian brands. It tied up with the Aditya Birla Group and it created that one. Its brand name. Then you can see the it is very famous for casual research. Every time they used to change. You can see here the another Peter England when it entered into India in 1997. By that time, the ratio of tailored to ready-made dress was 4:1. That is only one out of 4 person, only one person will use ready-made garments. But they created a nice strategy. You can see introducing Neem Tulasi collection. I have not seen, I think some of you might have seen this product. How this research team is going on. You can see another thing from the Peter England. We positioned it as international quality at the honest in the goodness price. How they fix the price, how elegant they used to create with the help of this brand ambassador. Immediate research is a fashion technology. So we need a different research immediately. Another one you can see how these people created an exclusive range of 4-piece wedding shoots. Wedding shoots, how they defined it. According to the Indian culture, remember that Peter England brand is actually from Ireland. It enters into India with the Aditya Birla Group. Even then, their research is going on. They are mentioning that we understood the Indian language, the opportunity that existed, and therefore talked to 500 town peoples. They've done a research among 500 people, 500 towns, different people in 500 towns, and created a nice product of Indian wedding shoots. I think our Joshua is thinking about that one. Huh? You can see the approach of Peter England in India, how they created hyper localization strategy, output of the descriptive research. Hyper localization, even though they are international brand, they used to create a sentimental. This will work in West Bengal, even in case of South Indian towns. See that one how they created. Then they mentioned that in India, they used to give importance for sustainability, fusion, and fashion. That is why during the Diwali time, beginning of good thing with perfect festive look, they created, you can say it's very tough, but if you want to survive in market, this type of casual research is essential. Then only you are able to differentiate your product with others. How during the Diwali season, they created a new product. Of course, it is old product in a new market, but they made it as a new one, festival look. This is the output of the exploratory research. And you can see in the Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited, how far they are giving importance for the research with the help of different peoples. They used to run the fashion show and they used to run and Mudra Fashions. They are creating their own lab to find out the fashion trends. That is the success story of this uh, group, Aditya Birla Group, especially for the Peter England. The innovation, whatever they created, they used to check with their chemical lab. Innovation insight. That is why Vijay Krishna is telling they introduced the new product in virus. You can't be affected with COVID if you are wearing the Peter England product at present. These things, you can see fabric so fluid it's got above the rest. They nicely created another product, the Liva Johnny. And they are having some partners for getting the information system to make these type of garments. This is a nice networking system of the Peter England. You can see another thing, They created the lab, that is the platform to link with the best possible researchers using the different technology for fashion. They mentioned that one. Value chain partners. The research inputs are gathered from their value chain partners. That is the interesting story of the Peter England. Another one, you can see that one. They created the lab, 400 million garments. They tagged 5+ global studios they are having, and they created the different value chain partners. And here, the future of the fashion, they created in their lab. They are having their own lab, timeless tales. The fashion output, you can see moonlight, mistake. Another one, the trends of the future, autumn. When this period is changing, time is changing, how we can create a new dress for that one. You can see India or India cool. Now they created that one. How they can make that one. The antiviral linen project by Peter England. That is how, in case of global marketers, they have to change. These are all the best examples of the information system created by this organization. Okay, so we will have 15 minutes break. After that, we will go for the case study of the tide of PNG. Okay, now I'm stop sharing. Yes. So I'll take the attendance next hour. Be ready for that one. Now you can have a coffee break. Bye.